Hello, my name is Lacey Klein, and today I'm going to be talking to you about phonological awareness. There are 5 different types of phenoms skills that you can use to help build your literacy skills. You can work on the beginning sounds and the ending sounds to help students put together each sound in a word to help build that word up. And eventually they'll see, oh, the C says K, and they'll start to know that and recognize that and can build on that skill. So the 5 phenom skills are matching, isolation, blending, segmentation, and deletion. And the first one was matching. So a good example of matching is by using an ABC post sound poster. This has the whole alphabet with a visual for the students so they can see, okay, here's an apple and it makes the sound. And we sing apple, apple, baby, baby, ba, 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 cookie, cookie, and this way they can see, they have that visual and they can see the letter, hear the sound, and start putting it all together and building that recognition. The next one is isolation. And pass out those whiteboards and ask your students to write the letter of the sound that is the same in each word. And they'll write down their answer and hold it up, and you can see, hopefully everybody, has the right answer. But ask them, okay, here's your words. Bike, boy, bell. Write your answers down. And hold up your answer. Yep, the B. You should all have the B because the B makes the b sound, like bike, boy, and bell. So our next group of words are jelly, jump, and jack. Write down what letter. Yep, you should write down the J because the J makes the J sound, like jelly, jump, and jack. Okay, your next group of words, lock, limb, and log. See, yep, you should all have the L because the L makes the ol sound, like lock, limb, and log. And so that's a good way for them to really see, that those words all have the ol sound. They all have the same beginning sound, and they can really isolate that sound to help build those skills. The third one is blending. And with this one, put some magnets on a board. And I'm going to provide the og sound. And I would need someone to come up front and show me how I can make a word with this og sound. Does the og, does that make a word? Does the og make a word? Or does the og make a word? That's right. The D put with the og sound says dog. Okay, let's do it again. Here's the ug sound. And what letter makes a word with the ug sound? B, ug, ug, or s, ug? That's right. The B and the ug say bug. And you can keep doing that and using small words to help really focus, and that's a good starting point. Just use like 3-letter words: cat, dog, hat, those things, for the beginning, to start out that way. The fourth skill is the phenom segmentation. And this one is good to chop your arm. And you have your students hold out their right arm, and you say, okay, we're going to chop the word cat. K, a, t. So you're going to chop at the shoulder, the elbow, and the wrist. So then you can do it the one time to show them, and then let's do it again. K, a, t. Again. K, a, t. Blend, cat. And that's how you can blend the word and put all of those sounds together, so you can focus on the beginning, the middle, and the end of the word. The fifth skill is deletion. And this one is great to use compound words. And there's a ton of compound words you can use. But for example, the word seesaw, you can ask the students, say the word seesaw without the saw. Hot dog, say the word hot dog without the hot. And see if they can separate out the two words in the compound word. A good game is to play Simon Says. And you can say, Simon says, say bookmark without the mark. Book, and you can have them all yell out book, and they'll all be all excited. Simon says, say fire truck without truck. Fire, and I like to yell that. And then you can add, Simon says, say popcorn without the word corn. Pop. And they can have fun kind of yelling it out, and hearing those sounds and those words, and really being able to break down the two compound words into their own word and their own sounds. So that is 5 phenom skills that will help build phonological awareness and help strengthen those literacy skills in those young ages. And at that young age, they all develop at different rates and different speeds. So constantly working on those phonological skills is very important in those young ages. So thank you.